Get ready.
Boom.
All right, whatever pitch angle you need now to get 90 knots.
We're back in the U.S. Today we're flying from Austin to Santa Fe, New Mexico to fly a classic Warbird.
Tower 8 is information Delta, time 17520, wind 230 at 11, gust 16, visibility 10 miles, sky condition, few clouds, 3,600, temperature 32, dew point 23, altimeter 3001.
Georgetown ground, Columbia 1282 Mike is at the Compass Rose East ramp with Delta ready to taxi VFR to the west.
Columbia 1282 Mike, Georgetown ground, taxi to runway 18 via Foxtrot and Alpha.
In Columbia 1282 Mike, Georgetown Tower, turn right on course, runway 18 clear for takeoff.
Right on course, clear for takeoff, runway 18, Columbia 1282 Mike.
All right, so we're going to Santa Fe, New Mexico to fly Larry's T-34. He runs jetwarbird.com. He's got an L-39, an L-29, Fuga Magister, a T-34, and there's one more that I can't remember. So you can go there and fly any of those planes. And I've always wanted to fly the T-34, so I'm going to go fly it. And also, that's going to give me a chance to test out this, which I'm actually going to test out in this flight once we get leveled out, but to make sure that the sun visor and everything fits and works, and the comms work. So, but this will be the first time. When I fly the T-34 with this, it'll be the first time flying
south altimeter 29999
in like a Warbird with this helmet, and that's in preparation for something exciting that's coming up
Houston, Center, hello, the altimeter 29998
in a few months, probably. I'll make some videos for, but not yet. There's our 200 feet from our altitude. We're in a slow climb to 12,500. Just to get above all that
on the
Sahara dust.
Georgetown, your step on taking it.
This actually has an oxygen mask, but it won't plug in to this oxygen system. It's got a, I think it's called a quick release.
Oh, it's huge.
Yes. It's much bigger than this little wimpy O2D2 system.
2417.
That's not for you, stand by. Number 1 Golf X-ray, contact forward center 132.07. Boogie 49er Roger, the San Altimeter 3000. Decimal area of moderate heavy extreme precipitation 1 to 2 o'clock, 30 miles, seeing southwest bound for 10 miles, no top support. November 560, moderate heavy precipitation, 12 o'clock, 15 miles, seeing for 10 miles.
Works well.
Okay, I can hear you. Talk to me, Goose.
Talk to me, Goose.
Get ready.
Boom.
Yeah, I'll do a test with ATIS 11825.
Butcher 29er, 2.20, altimeter 3003.
Okay, and it's clear. You can hear me clearly. Audio sounds good. Yep, and the sunglasses work with it too.
Is it like super duper dark now?
Not really.
Oh.
I mean, because it's so bright outside, but I can wear the sunglasses or I can take the sunglasses off and pull the visor down.
still have your skull cap on. Looks like you're a brunette. Kind of reminds me of like Weeble Wobble hair.
You mean Weeble wobble but they don't fall down?
Number 7 Charlie Romeo, contact Miller.
The weebles wobble, but they don't fall down.
All right. We'll see you in Santa Fe, or as we're approaching Santa Fe. Oh, we got some clouds ahead.
Radar contact, 45 miles southeast of Santa Fe VOR, Santa Fe altimeter 3016, the altitude.
3016 puts us at 11,900.
128 Mike, maintain VFR and advising you of Santa Fe airport site.
Okay, we'll advise with airport site, Columbia 128 Mike.
Santa Fe Airport information Delta 19530, wind 17012, visibility 10, the sky is clear below 12,000. Temperature 32, check entry altitude at least 9,400, dew point -3, altimeter 3017. Visual or GPS approaching use, landing upon runway 20, no salmon. Runway 102 is closed, runway 15 rails out of service. Hazardous weather information is the state of New Mexico available on flag service frequencies, advisor of Delta.
Columbia 1282 Mike has the field in sight, and we have Delta.
1282 Mike, roger, and remain on your beacon code and contact Santa Fe Tower 119.5.
All right, I'll keep the code and contact tower. Thanks for the help, 1282 Mike.
3 miles, left base.
Columbia 82 Mike, runway 20, clear to land, wind 1010.
Clear to land, runway 20, Columbia 1282 Mike.
Miles in 3 hours, not bad. We tied down the plane, got the rental car, and headed to the hotel. On the way, we stopped by a place called Dr. Feelgood's and picked up possibly the best pulled pork sandwiches ever. Santa Fe's elevation is 6,300 feet above sea level, and the density altitude is even higher. I meet Larry at 8 a.m. We talk warbirds and do some ground school for the T-34. It's time to fly the Mentor.
So the chute handle is right here, okay?
Okay.
And we're going to strap you in, right? And if you needed to get out of here, you could just open your canopy, I'll show you how to do that, and step out on the wing and go, right?
Okay.
You need to be ready to get out, right? Well, you could just pull that back, right? Step out on the wing, jump, pull that handle as soon as you're clear of the airplane, right? And that's all there is to it, right? Good luck after that.
Okay, I'm going to kill the music so you can enjoy the sound of the T-34 Mentor.
Fuel goes to the left side.
Okay, it's on left.
Now look at your fuel gauge. You see the fuel pressure gauge in the middle?
Yes.
Now pump the throttle all the way forward and back once.
Okay, all the way forward and back.
Yeah, and now forward about a ½ inch, quarter inch, right about in there. Okay.
Okay.
You got the brakes. Whenever you're ready, hit the starter.
Okay.
Clear prop. Pretty easy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. And so what we want to see now is give us about 1,100 RPM, 1,000 RPM, something like that. Right?
Okay. Yeah, 1050 or so.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Dad, just push it, pull it up to the top position. It says inverter.
Okay, come on. Up.
There you go. Now your inverter's on, okay?
Magnetic is showing me north.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, go ahead, set it for north.
Okay.
Yep.
Set it for 0.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Whatever you got, okay? That's great. Okay, what else we got?
You know your way back to the airport, right?
I think so.
Okay.
Mentor 334 Lima Sierra Santa Fe ground 1210 at 6, runway 20 taxi via Alpha.
We're going to 20, the long runway, okay?
Okay.
That's good. Yeah, and on this airplane, you probably want to just keep your heels on the bottom and just whatever you need, right? Slide them up if you need brakes. That's the way it works. Same as our T-33, works the same way. There you go. Perfect.
Okay.
Port Finac for Chiller 78.
And lock it, push it forward.
And Mentor 4 Lima Sierra, runway 20 clear for takeoff, right turn on course approved.
Alright, ready?
Yes, sir. Oh, you're...
Mentor 24 Victor, suggest heading 015.
015, 24 Victor.
All the gauges look good.
Yep.
November 4, Bravo,
Got airspeed,
Mentor on the takeoff, roll off,
50
runway
knots.
20. Runway 15, declared for the option, winds 180 at 8.
55.
Mentor cleared for the option, for
Six,
Bravo, Bravo.
about 60.
Chiller 78,
All right.
2 following,
Goes up just a touch. Yeah, hold that.
traffic on right now,
Yeah, that's
turn
perfect.
base, I'll be...
It's just fine.
Okay, looking for traffic and cross Finac for Chiller 78.
All right, you can pull the gear up, go ahead.
GPS runway 20 approach is approved, maintain VFR, no separation services are provided.
Maintain VFR.
All right, whatever pitch angle you need now to get 90 knots.
Okay.
85 is even good. 85 is fine, being it's so hot.
Unfortunately, the GoPro overheated on the dashboard, so I only got the takeoff and the climb out on video. We did rolls, loops, hammerheads, stalls, a spin, and an Immelman turn before heading back to the airport. If you like this video, give it a like and consider subscribing. I've got some pretty exciting Warbird stuff coming up, as well as some more flights from Argentina. If you want to see the 2-minute time-lapse of our return flight from Santa Fe to Austin, I'll link it here at the top right and in the description below. Thanks for watching.